Several entities and personnel within an organization have roles in relation to data, whether it is to manage, use, or handle information. These roles include data owners, system owners, business owners, data processors, administrators, custodians, and users. Data owners are normally department heads who are most capable of evaluating the data, and assigning it an adequate classification level and label. They should ensure that the proper security controls are in place to protect the data, and will be held accountable if they are unable to perform due diligence. The data owners are also responsible for defining the appropriate access, use, and management of the data by the other roles. System owners are the personnel responsible for the systems where the data resides. The system and data owners should work together on developing an adequate security plan, which defines the security controls and the assigned roles and responsibilities. The system owners should ensure that the system users receive proper training on the adequate use of the system. Business owners are responsible for ensuring that the information systems provide value to the business. They are involved in the business processes, and should cooperate with the system owners in identifying and implementing the security controls. There should be a balance between the cost, the strictness, and the benefits of the controls. Many organizations implement the COVID processes to ensure this balance, and to govern the relationship between IT and the business. Data processors, and according to GDPR, are entities that process data on behalf of the data controllers. The processing purposes should be defined, and the processing should be restricted to the extent that is agreed on. Data owners should be informed of their data processing, and the information should not be disclosed to unauthorized parties. Administrators are responsible for the technical aspect of data protection. Access to the data should be managed, including specifying the authorized entities and their level of authorization. Administrators are responsible for assigning the right permissions as requested, usually based on the need-to-know principle. To be more efficient, administrators create roles, and assign the users to them, instead of creating a different profile for each user. Data custodians are responsible for protecting the integrity of the data, as delegated to them by the data owners. Some of their tasks include ensuring that the data is regularly backed up, and that the relevant logs are reviewed. Finally, a user is a staff member who has access to the data in order to be able to perform his work.